we also had IndiaMart, which reported its numbers as well. And to talk more about their numbers, we're joined by Dinesh Agarwal, founder and CEO at IndiaMart this afternoon as well. Thank you so much, Dinesh, for joining in with us this afternoon on ETNow. And, let me just start by firstly talking about the customer additions, right? Was at a multi-quarter low of 2K versus normally, which you have in the range of around, when you look at it, of 6,000 to 8,000. Now, is this mainly because of the price hikes you are taking, or what is the factor coming in for this?
No, not only price hike. I think the price hike we have taken in the mid of May. So it's only been 3-4 months. Generally, 4-5 months should be okay for recovering on the gross customer addition. But I think due to holidays and little acceptance issue, it is taking longer. But the other bigger issue is that our first year churn on the silver customers is actually causing this net addition to be lower. And I said on the con call also that while our 75% of the customers are gold and platinum customer, and where we do not see the problem of the churn, but the other 50% of the customer, which are then the silver lower ARPU customer, there we are seeing higher churn, and we will go back to our drawing board and see what all we need to do to contain this churn. While we expect the gross customer additions to come back probably in this quarter or so, the churn is going to be a little longer to solve.
Okay, so the gross customer addition might bounce back this quarter, but the churn might take a bit more time. So the other question I wanted to ask you is, any sense in terms of what the timeline could be going forward of the recovery? Because 6 to 8,000 was the, was the intended number earlier. When do we get back to that?
No, I think pricing on the silver side, we had only revived back to our pre-COVID prices. So it was not even a price hike. During the COVID, we had given certain discounts, and that we recovered for the silver customers. On the gold and platinum, our normal strategy of the 5% price hike over a longer period of time continues, and that is visible in the top 10% ARPU also.
Okay, what we also want to understand is that, despite this low addition, you've actually managed to keep the collection strong. What are the expectations on realization and collection going forward as well now?
Yes, because in the last 2 years, we have added some 60,000 net customers from 150,000 to now 210,000. And that many of them have upgraded to gold and platinum, and many of them have opted for higher packages. So which is resulting into a better collection growth. And as I have guided earlier also, we are looking forward to our collection growth in the range of 22 to 24% going forward also, and in line with the recognition of the revenue as well.
Okay, so that was about realizations and collection, but are you also confident of maintaining your margin bandwidth, which was around 28 to 30% earlier?
Yes, I think we are at 29% standalone margin this quarter, given 1% here and there, but I think we will be in the line of that 28 to 30%.
Also in terms of the traffic you saw was quite strong, 10% YOY jump at 210 million after many quarters of decline. What is the outlook now in terms of the traffic?
Yeah, we have seen some good traffic recovery, and I think traffic outlook cannot be predicted easily because a lot of macro conditions play on that, and a lot of technology conditions also play on that. So we have, I believe, as we have added these many customers in the past, probably some of that is contributing to increased traffic. But let it sustain for a few quarters, and then we can give further guidance on that.
Okay, thanks for joining us with that quick take. So yes, this quarter was a bit problematic because the customer addition was low. That had an impact on the margins as well.